Hey everyone, and in this video, I will be talking about DynamoDB. So, what is exactly DynamoDB? So, Amazon DynamoDB is basically a fast NoSQL database from AWS, and it's basically a fully managed server. Basically, it means that AWS take care of servers, does the scaling for you, and also maintain the server for you. So it stores the data as key value pair or key value format, or it stores as a document. So also it is really fast. It's responsive in like milliseconds, and data is stored on SSD and copies across three data centers. So it is highly available. So what are the use case of DynamoDB? So you can use in mobile application. It is used in web application. It is used in games like such as online games. It is used in IoT application. So this way and any app that needs fast and reliable data access. So this is where DynamoDB comes into the picture. Now, coming to the data consistency model, the reason why we use data consistency model is because data is stored in across the multiple location. So DynamoDB offers two ways to read the data. One is the one is basically eventually consistent read. Eventually consistent read is basically like the latest update you couldn't see it immediately. So after a short amount of time, like let's say 1 second, the data becomes updated everywhere, and it is faster as well as cheaper compared to other models. And it is when you can use it, that like when your app can wait be free. So for the use case, you can use it is used in social media, like in view counts and such that. Now coming to second data consistency model is strongly consistent read. So basically, if the latest data gets updated everywhere, so you can always get the latest data, and it is slightly slower and cost more. And it is used when the data that is latest is very critical. For example, it is used in banking and even in inventory count. Now, coming to capacity mode, so the capacity mode here basically means that DynamoDB controls how much reading and writing your app can do using capacity mode. One of the capacity mode is provisional mode. You predefine how many reads and write per second you need, and if the traffic goes above the limit, then the requests are basically throttled, and it is best used for predictable traffic. And the second mode is on-demand mode. So no, so here in on-demand mode, there's no capacity planning needed, and you can automatically handle any amount of traffic. You only pay for what you use, and if there's no read and write, you only pay for storage. So it is best for unpredictable traffic, and it also supports all DynamoDB features like, for example, encryption, backup, and etc. So I'm gonna show you how do we use DynamoDB in AWS. Hey everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to create a table in DynamoDB. So let's start now. So go to DynamoDB and create on click table and enter a table name. So I'm gonna enter a table name as employee details. Okay, and as a partition key, I'm gonna give it as employee ID. And and because employee a partition key is nothing but a unique key, and then short key is nothing but a secondary unique key. So or we can consider a canonical key in relation database. So as a short key, I'm going to give as employee phone number because phone number is pretty unique though. So phone number. So okay, so So I'm gonna give the data type as number here, and the phone number I'm gonna give as data type as number. So just scroll down and create a table. So as you see, the table is being created. So just click on this box here and then go to the action and you can explore the items. So items are nothing but data in NoSQL or no relation database. So we're gonna add some items here. So we're gonna create items. Right now there's no items here, so we're gonna create some items. And and then let's say we're gonna give the employer ID as one and the phone number as let's just keep it at the phone number, okay? And then I'm gonna add a new attribute and I'm going to select the data type as string. So let's say the attribute. So we're gonna give a name here, and then we're gonna enter the data here. So let's say okay, and let's go and add a new attribute with a string, and let's say let's go role and let's add here software engineer, and let's create an item. So as you see, the table has been created and an item has been created. Let's go and create another. And let's go and add another item. Let's go create item. Let's say employee ID is 2 and then phone number is let's let's go and create items. Okay, so as you see, the new items has been created. Let's go and edit this one. Just this one is enough. Okay, action, edit. Okay, and let's go and add some attributes with name, with number. I mean, or let's go and select string here, and let's say name. Uh, okay, and let's add one more attribute as string here. Let's go type rules. Let's let's give it a tester here. Let's go and let's go and save and close this one. Okay, as you see, our table has been created, and the reason why it is like this because because it's NoSQL because and it's very flexible when it comes to when it comes it is very flexible and because it has no structure in it, whereas in RDBMS it has a structure and a schema. So this one doesn't have any schema or structure. So this is how you can create your table in DynamoDB. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.